Are you struggling to find a way to use table layout with RecyclerView? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to explore some solutions together. I completely understand your frustration. You want the dynamic behavior of table layout, but you also need the recycling feature of RecyclerView for better performance with large datasets. This is a common dilemma for many developers. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, is there a way to use table layout as a layout manager with RecyclerView? They mentioned that they need a solution without starting from scratch, as their table is highly dynamic and requires auto-resizing columns. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So why is this a challenge? RecyclerView is designed to work with specific layout managers, like Linear Layout Manager and Grid Layout Manager. However, table layout has its own unique behavior that can be tricky to replicate. Let's break down the options. Stay tuned. I have a great workaround to share at the end that could save you a lot of time and effort. To achieve a table-like layout with RecyclerView, the user can utilize a third-party library called Flexbox Layout. This library allows for a flexible layout that can mimic the behavior of table layout. Next, the user should create a layout file for the RecyclerView items. This layout will define how each cell in the table should look. The user can use Flexbox Layout as the root element. After setting up the item layout, the user needs to create an adapter for the RecyclerView. This adapter will bind the data to the views defined in the item layout. Finally, the user should set up the RecyclerView in their activity or fragment. They will need to set the Layout Manager to Flexbox Layout Manager and attach the adapter. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Android didn't even have RecyclerView? Developers had to manage lists manually. We've come a long way since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests creating a table-like structure using a horizontal scroll view within your RecyclerView's adapter. They recommend placing all your elements inside this horizontal scroll view in your adapter layout XML for each row. In the main layout XML, wrap the RecyclerView in a horizontal scroll view, which is then placed inside a table layout. This setup allows for both horizontal and vertical scrolling, giving you the table-like behavior you need. This approach ensures that you can scroll through your data both horizontally and vertically, making it suitable for dynamic tables. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One alternative solution is to create a custom row using a linear layout. Then you can attach that row to the RecyclerView adapter. This method allows you to achieve a table-like structure within the RecyclerView. Here's a tip. When working with dynamic data, always consider how your layout will adapt to changes. This foresight can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. With these solutions, you can effectively use table layout-like behavior with RecyclerView. Remember, exploring libraries and custom solutions can open up new possibilities. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.